Hello. Do you want to hand someone your phone without risking your privacy? Or you want to give your phone to a kid, but you want them to be able to access only one's application? This is what you can do. On Samsung, or I believe all most Android devices have this feature. You will be able to pin only one software, for instance. If you want to hand someone your mobile phone for whatever reason, or you want to keep your kid engaged to only one app on the phone. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve this. So to do this, um, let's first of all set up our, let us check the settings first. So you go to settings. Now look for biometrics and security, which is right there. You click on it and look for, or on some phones, it might be called lock screen and security. On my mobile phone, it's called biometrics and security, but maybe on yours, it's called lock screen and security. Now, look for other security settings. I think it's somewhere, that's it, just right below. Other security settings, and you click on it. Therefore, need to go to other security settings. Now look for where it says pin windows, which is right below. So as you can see, this is toggled on, but nevertheless, if you don't have it on, either way, go on and click on pin windows. Now you have two options here. You can only toggle it on. So what happens is that someone will only have access to one application on your mobile phone. But for security reasons, if you want, you can also toggle this on, which means that that person won't be able to exit that application that you pinned, except they provided your PIN number. So if you want that person to be able to exit that application, you can leave this turned off. But if you want to secure that single application with your mobile phone PIN number, remember this is the actual PIN number you use to log into your mobile phone. If you want it to be applicable, so what you need to do, you have to toggle this. So we have under pin windows, we have these two things toggled on. So now let's exit and try to test our application. Let me exit this. On this phone, I want to grant someone access to Play Store. Only Play Store, they won't be able to access anything else. So what you've got to do is to click on the app. I have my Play Store here. On the mobile, click on this exit icon. I believe that's what it's called. This burger icon. You click on it. Now you've got all these applications on the screen. So just look for the one you want to pin down. What I wanted to pin down is this is Google Play, this very application. So as you can see, it has this should I say icon at the top. You can see that all of them have something at the top. This one has this icon on the top. So what you need to do is to click on this icon. Then below it says pin this app. You click on it. Now it gives you instruction on what to do when you want to exit. Let's say okay. Now app pinned, it says. Now we can do whatever we want on this app. So if you give this mobile phone to your child or to someone else to view, to only use this application, they won't be able to exit it. Let's try. Let's click there. You see the instruction that what you need to do to be able to exit this software. You click there, nothing is happening. Let's try that. Nothing is happening. So no one will be able to exit this. But now let's try to exit. What do you need to do to exit? You need to hold on to this exit button and this back button. You need to hold them down together. Just do it simultaneously. Let me do that. So it's exited. Now it's asking. Now we have to remember we gave it instruction. We set it in such a way that it will require our PIN number. So now it's asking me for my PIN number. Let me put that in. You see, I just put in my PIN number. So now we will be able to exit this application. So this is one of the best ways you can easily safeguard your mobile phone, and especially when you want to hand it over to kids. And I hope this has been helpful. In that case, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.